You're about to break out. To put yourself to the test. To face the challenge. Keep your eyes peeled for the best opportunity. Your chance to advance. Advantage PennDOT. It may just be the fastest track around. When you're ready to face the challenge of a rewarding career in civil engineering, you owe it to yourself to check out the PennDOT Advantage. We're the fourth largest public transportation agency, often heralded as one of the best managed shops in the nation. We take pride in our history as well as our vision. The nation's first macadam road was built in Pennsylvania in 1795. Today, you'll see our engineers still on the leading edge, in the forefront, using and developing new products and ideas. A lot of people talk a good program, but we put our money where our mouth is. Upgrading and maintaining a massive network of 41,000 miles of highway and 25,000 bridges.
Well, PennDOT's a recognized national leader because, first of all, we deliver. We have good people, and whenever there's an opportunity, we deliver. We're aggressive. Whenever there's money out there that there's competition for between states, we're normally number one. We've delivered $5 billion in highway and bridge construction in the last 5 years. We've been involved in a couple $2 billion worth of transit improvements. And how do we deliver? We deliver through our people. We have 12,000 people at PennDOT, and every one of them is important, whether they work in maintenance or whether they're the deputy secretary or secretary of this department. As a team, we all do things together.
We're people-oriented, more specifically, engineering-oriented. We prize top engineers and make sure they have the latest technological resources. From the top of our agency on down, our people are proud of our long tradition of service to the public. We're a binding and positive force in our communities, sparking growth and progress, ensuring a brighter future for all of us. After decades of service, many of our civil engineers will retire during the 1990s. So, we've got unparalleled opportunities for young engineers and technicians anxious to climb the ladder of success. There's never been a better chance to advance.
I've had 3 promotions since I've been with the department. I went from running $200,000 jobs, and at this point right now, this job's $23 million.
In the 4 years that I've been with the Department of Transportation, I've received 2 promotions, which isn't bad for a young engineer.
Custom design your own career track. That's the PennDOT Advantage. Our organization is so large and diverse that flexibility and opportunities abound. Choose a position in your technical specialty or move to a new one. There's no speed limit on moving ahead. Our training program for civil engineers is one of the most comprehensive in the country. Diversity, diversity, diversity. That's the best way to describe it. During your 15-month training period, you'll work side by side with experienced engineers in every discipline. Highway and bridge design, construction, traffic management, highway maintenance. There's never a dull moment in your rotation.
I went with PennDOT primarily for the trainee program. Coming out of college, I had the background in design, and I still needed the practical experience. In the private industry, I felt I'd be sitting behind a desk and not get the wide spectrum you get with PennDOT.
Working with the department is probably one of the best things I ever did. You get a lot of experience in a hurry, an opportunity to get your feet wet rather quickly, and you go right to where you want to be.
We'll even help groom you so you can reach professional goals down the road. Management, promotions. You tell us where that career track leads. Intermodal transportation centers, intelligent vehicle highway systems, high-occupancy vehicle lanes. Technology is our bridge to the future, but it's a bridge that must be paved by the next generation of engineers. The excitement and challenges of being on our team have never been greater.
Their technology changes almost daily or yearly here with the department, so we have a lot of new equipment that's being manufactured for our smart highways, where we will actually be able to sit in the office and view the actual intersections at various locations throughout the Commonwealth via the computer.
The department takes the environment into a very high priority in designing our projects. We look at minimizing impacts to all the natural resources, to cultural resources, and at the same time it becomes a very challenging effort to do that. You want to provide a good, safe, efficient means of transportation and at the same time protect the environment.
We're known for our total commitment to leading-edge technology. So, we're often the proving ground for new ideas like CAD and BRAD technologies. Right now, we're working with breakthrough software, systems, and equipment that are only rumors in other transportation agencies. Advantage, PennDOT. We expect our engineers to be the best that they can be, but we also reward their dedication. Our salary scales are competitive with the private sector, but no one in the private sector, no one can match these benefits. Comprehensive health insurance, paid medical prescriptions, vision and dental plans, one of the most generous and healthy retirement and pension plans in the United States, liberal paid vacations, holidays, personal days, sick and parental leave, tuition reimbursement, and much, much more.
PennDOT offers one of the best benefits packages of anyone I've interviewed with, and in that regard, health care is a primary concern, and that supplements the pay quite well.
We intend to have a family, and that's a big point, a big issue to look at. And even as far as being a woman, you have to look at your maternity leave and things like that for your children, your future children, and that's a big factor to look at whenever you're considering an employer.
Try to find a private employer with the variety of work locations we have to offer. In addition to our central office, we have 11 district offices that stretch from one end of the state to the other. Decide what lifestyle appeals to you, urban or rural, fishing or skiing, the arts or history. Pennsylvania is a state of great diversity. We've got it all. All you have to do is decide what you want. Experience tells us that our formula works. Engineering is a highly mobile profession, but our engineers stay with us an average of 22 years. Our massive resources ensure the highest level of job security in the industry. Wherever your PennDOT career leads you, there's exciting and meaningful work to be done. Design environmentally sensitive highways and bridges that protect our state's precious historical and natural resources. Improve the quality of people's lives by routing and controlling traffic patterns for maximum speed and safety. Analyze construction materials and discover a breakthrough using new, more efficient technologies. If all this sounds like the kind of chance to advance you've been looking for, then get ready to face the challenge. And when the time is right, make sure you choose the right track to success, our track. Advantage PennDOT. It may just be the fastest track around. If you're in a 4-year civil engineering program, we'd like to get to know you as soon as possible. We can almost guarantee you a job this summer. Or join our internship program and earn a great salary and college credits too. If you're pursuing a 2-year program or have an associate degree, let us know. We have a great training program for you as well as summer employment. Whether you're just thinking about a career in civil engineering or mapping out your career path, it's never too early to talk to a PennDOT recruiter. Let us show you the PennDOT Advantage.